Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will walk you through how to log in to Woori Bank's online banking portal in South Korea step by step. If you are a foreigner living in Korea, a student or a first time user, this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. Visit the official Woori Bank website or first open your browser and to go to the official Woori Bank website globalworrybook.worrybook.com. Here you can see this on my screen, and you can make sure the site is secure. Look for the lock icon and address bar. Once on the home page, select personal banking. Here you can see this personal banking or business. I can use the personal banking or switch the language to English from the top right if needed. Here you click. Now you can go to this sites, and here you can see integrate. Now click on internet banking and program designed to integrate and manage internet banking related installation program, certified security program, and you can download this. You can log in a id or a password and to find the securities install essential install programs, and keyboard securities can install automatically. Then, for security reasons, South Korea banks require a digital certificate. If you already installed your certificate, here you can see this certificate security digital certificate. Then select the certificate from the pop-up windows and enter the password for your certificate. Then click OK to process. If you don't have certificate yet, you will need to register in person or via the Woori Bank mobile app. Once issued, you can install it on your PC or use mobile certificate login. Then register online banking if you are new. If you are a new customer and haven't registered for online banking, go to the Woori website and click up sign up for internet banking in Korea. Follow the prompts. You will need your bank account number, your resident ID or alien registration number, your debit card or security card. Then create your user ID or password and request a digital certificate for future logins. And and that's it. Hope you are enjoying this video and it's helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe the channels.